Hi, this is my home business academy tutorial and review. This business that of being called all-in-one $25 business with all the tools and training you need to build any business, and the training inside you can of course use to build any type of business. And you earn 8% commissions when you pay the $25. That way you earn unlimited $20 commission, but you can also earn $100 monthly commissions if you upgrade to be all-in-one. That will cost you $150 a month, but right now there's an offer to get the upgraded membership for 2 weeks for free until you have to pay the $150, so you can start diving into the more advanced training as an upgraded all-in-one member, fully upgraded member. So I'm going to show you a bit about what you get for joining for $25. Here's some income proofs. You don't need any products. The products you can just promote the products inside this HBA business as a free affiliate. Website done, sales funnel done, emails pre-written, as you will get access to as an upgraded member, product delivery done, customer service done, ads and ad copy done, and customer upgrades done. So now I thought I should show you the inside, because I'm an upgraded member, so I can show you what you get access to for $150 a month. So when you log in, you will see what kind of products you own, what training you own. I have the funnel Builders Academy, where you build a very good capture page or capture pages. And here's the HBA Premium training that you access as an upgrade member. We can have a view of that. And the trainings, the video here and here, you have different information. And to get to the next training video, you click there. But as you can see here, we have a HBA Premium Private. The rest of the training and products you get access to as an upgraded member. You get access to the Freedom Launchpad, and you have something called Ultimate Email Swipe, where you can access 50 pre-written top-notch quality email swipes, just copy and paste into your autoresponder and more. We can check out the Launchpad here. And here's a video of the important action steps and so on, and then you move on to module 1. And here we have a support mastermind group, link to that there. Here, HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions. And here's something called Financial Literacy Academy. And here, that's where you can, when you want to get access to your and more card in order to get paid, where you can see statistics and traffic statistics and stuff like that to every one of your links. So that's where you click to log into that. So if you want to start making unlimited $20 or $100 commissions, click the link below. Thanks you for watching and have an awesome day. Bye bye.